HeARTki.TEK Functional Art. How to have fun while creating something of purpose and useful by keeping the beauty. Yeah, this beautiful avocado piece was brought to me by a Mayan brother here and asked me to carve my magic into it. So this is the bottom as I meditate into creating all these lines and how to merge them into a cohesive organic shape. The meditation process is a beautiful experience of focus and determined energy, life force frequency that's flowing through my veins, flowing through myself, soul recognition of the purpose of creation, expanding the mission, expanding the mission to a multi-dimensional reality where these vibrate. I do not carve them, I tune them. So I carved it out here, tune the wood so that it resonates, make it lighter, part of my soul. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Whoosh.